Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing the financial mistakes that can cost you millions and how to avoid these common pitfalls. Understanding these missteps is crucial for building and preserving wealth. Let's dive into the key mistakes you should steer clear of to secure your financial future. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. 1. Ignoring a budget. One of the most significant financial mistakes people make is ignoring the importance of a budget. A budget serves as a roadmap for your finances, helping you track income and expenses effectively. Without a clear understanding of your financial situation, it's easy to overspend and accumulate debt. Many individuals overlook their spending habits, leading to financial stress and instability. By neglecting to create and stick to a budget, you risk missing out on savings opportunities and investment potential. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget can provide insights into your financial patterns. 2. Failing to build an emergency fund. Not establishing an emergency fund is a costly mistake that can jeopardize your financial security. Unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or car repairs, can arise at any moment. Without a financial cushion, you may be forced to rely on high-interest credit cards or loans to cover these costs. This situation can quickly lead to debt accumulation, hindering your ability to save and invest. An emergency fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. By setting aside money for unforeseen circumstances, you can navigate financial challenges more smoothly. 3. Accumulating high-interest debt. Accumulating high-interest debt can be one of the most detrimental financial mistakes you can make. Credit card debt, payday loans, and other forms of high-interest borrowing can quickly spiral out of control. The longer you carry this debt, the more interest you'll pay, making it increasingly challenging to get back on track. Many individuals underestimate the impact of high interest rates on their overall financial health. Failing to prioritize debt repayment can lead to financial distress and limit your ability to save or invest. Creating a plan to pay off high-interest debt should be a top priority for anyone serious about financial stability. 4. Neglecting retirement savings. Neglecting to save for retirement is a critical financial error that can have long-lasting consequences. Many people underestimate the importance of starting early when it comes to retirement savings. The power of compound interest means that the earlier you start saving, the more your money can grow over time. Failing to contribute to retirement accounts can lead to financial insecurity in your later years. Without these savings, you may find yourself relying solely on Social Security, which often isn't sufficient to cover living expenses. Developing a retirement savings plan is essential for achieving financial independence. Prioritizing retirement savings early on will help ensure a comfortable future. 5. Making emotional investment decisions. Making investment decisions based on emotions can lead to significant financial losses. Many investors react impulsively to market fluctuations, causing them to buy high and sell low. This behavior often results in missed opportunities and increased losses during market downturns. It's crucial to adopt a rational and strategic approach to investing, rather than being swayed by fear or greed. Developing a clear investment strategy and sticking to it can help you avoid emotional pitfalls. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and making adjustments based on informed analysis is key. 6. Overlooking insurance needs. Overlooking necessary insurance coverage is a costly mistake that can lead to financial devastation. Many individuals underestimate the importance of protecting their assets and income through insurance policies. From health insurance to homeowners insurance, having the right coverage can safeguard you against unexpected financial burdens. Failing to secure adequate insurance can result in significant out-of-pocket expenses in the event of emergencies. Moreover, life insurance is crucial for providing financial security for your loved ones in the event of your untimely passing. Regularly reviewing your insurance needs and adjusting your coverage as necessary is vital for ensuring financial stability. 7. Skipping financial education. Skipping financial education is a mistake that can limit your financial growth and understanding. Many individuals lack the knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions, leading to costly errors. Investing time in learning about personal finance, investing, and money management is crucial for long-term success. Numerous resources, such as books, podcasts, and online courses can help enhance your financial literacy. By improving your understanding of financial principles, you can make smarter choices regarding budgeting, investing, and saving. Additionally, seeking advice from financial professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance. 8. Focusing on short-term gains. Focusing solely on short-term gains can hinder your long-term financial success. Many investors chase quick profits, often leading to impulsive and risky decisions. This mindset can result in missed opportunities for sustainable growth and wealth accumulation. A long-term investment strategy focuses on consistent growth rather than immediate rewards. By adopting a patient approach to investing, you can capitalize on the power of compounding over time. Diversifying your investments across various asset classes can also help reduce risk and enhance returns. It's important to set realistic financial goals and remain committed to your long-term strategy. 9. Ignoring tax implications. Ignoring tax implications is a financial mistake that can significantly impact your wealth. Many individuals fail to consider how taxes affect their investments and overall financial strategy. Understanding the tax consequences of various investment vehicles is essential for optimizing returns. Engaging in tax planning can help you identify strategies to minimize your tax liability and maximize savings. Additionally, failing to contribute to tax-advantaged accounts, such as individual retirement arrangements or health savings accounts, can result in lost opportunities for growth. It's crucial to stay informed about tax laws and changes that may affect your financial situation. Working with a tax professional can provide valuable insights into effective tax planning strategies. By considering tax implications, you can make smarter financial decisions and enhance your wealth-building efforts. 10. Delaying financial planning. Delaying financial planning is a common mistake that can cost you dearly in the long run. Many individuals put off creating a financial plan, thinking they have plenty of time to figure things out later. However, procrastination can lead to missed opportunities for saving, investing, and wealth building. Establishing a clear financial plan early on allows you to set goals and create actionable steps to achieve them. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan is also crucial for staying on track. By prioritizing financial planning, you can take control of your financial future and make informed decisions. The sooner you start planning, the better positioned you will be to reach your financial goals. Committing to financial planning now can lead to lasting benefits and a secure financial future. Thanks for watching. By understanding and avoiding these financial mistakes, you can protect your wealth and secure a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.